E-mini S&Ps end the week moving higher, making yet another new all-time high, moving above 5,600. In fact, over the last 4 sessions, we've seen E-minis moving higher each of those days, culminating in, again, today's new all-time high. After what we saw was a weaker than expected non-farm payroll number, as well as greater downside revisions to previous data, shifting those Fed rate cut odds a little bit higher for September. Now seeing odds of a September 25 basis point rate cut at north of 80%, and that helping to propel equities higher again, closing north of 5,600 and making yet another new all-time high. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, typically as we see equity indices moving higher, we see volatility moving lower, and that's exactly what we saw early. We saw equity volatility moving lower, hitting 2-month lows before seeing a modest uptick higher, as there still is a lot of uncertainty, and next week we could get some answers. But right now the market, after seeing volatility moving lower, actually closed up and slightly actually back near unchanged to end the session. Lastly, let's look at what we have next week. It is a very busy economic calendar. We have not only the Fed Chair semi-annual testimony to Congress on Tuesday and Wednesday, we will also get CPI and PPI to end the week. And then on Friday, we get the onset of bank earnings, which will obviously be a big part of where equities go in the near future. So a lot happening next week to keep your eye on as equities sit precariously at all-time highs.